Hello my people, how una day? Welcome to a typical Sunday in the life of a Dubai deportee. That title, when I give myself here, sometimes I'll just be laughing. So for a year, so you guys, this Sunday I not go church and I can't the hungry. And what did the hungry me this day? Nah, spaghetti. So this one na me. I dey show you na my face. When I look my tired face, my hungry face. For yeah, I don't eat time to. I could show now the flags, so like the flags. When this driver they just sample for a motor, I can't like now the countries when you don't go. I be now the ones when they your mind to go. Now be all these ones. So for yeah, they show now the bridge. We to get bridge for Benin. Not be alone. I get bridge for the state. For yeah, so my people, I don't come back. And one thing when I know say I know sabi do na to the video when I did market. That's not really master me. So for yeah, I carry my flags when I take the boy or tuta. I need to wash them because why not? You know, you guys to keep your space clean. So after I don't wash them, I put water. I leave them for there, make water fill them. Then I carry the socket. I arrange them. I carry my rubber. I call they bring out everything I buy. So I buy tomatoes and pepper, onions. They grind that one for market for me because I don't get blender. I buy Maggi. A lot. Okay, I buy fish, I buy eggs. For them, I water the hot. I put on for the stuff and I on the socket. For yeah, so I say make I carry my pot come outside do when I want to cook. So I get plate and cup when I no wash like yesterday or Saturday. So I say make I first wash all those ones first before I go begin cook. So I first water rinse down my sink. So this my kitchen, it really small sha. They not arrange the cabinet area way. So I don't wash and finish. I can't wash my pot. Now I go on my gas. So as soon as they see I'm so I don't gas. So now I put my pot for fire. I can't carry hot water. I pour and put. After I don't pour my hot water, now I carry my spaghetti. I can cut and come on, then carry and come outside. This one is my first time to cook spaghetti without I no break am. Then I can say make I keep my things. So I carry my scissors, all the knife. I put them for where they're supposed to be. And now I carry my fish come outside. As I carry the fish come out, now I begin break the fish. So I need to remove the bone when they for the fish. This time around, my water don't boil. Now I off more. Then I carry my egg. Now 3 egg I buy. So I carry the other 2. I put them for my spaghetti. Make they cook and I drop one. For yeah, I just they remove all the bones. See the way I serious. Not be smart thing I they do for you. As I don't remove the bones, now I carry the fish go where water do. I say make I rinse the shit come off for the fish. Then I also wash the sink. Clean and well because now so me I like to do my thing. For yeah, my people now I say no, they're not the kill strong. Make I eat biscuits, make I not die before the food go down. As I don't do finish, now I begin carry the dirty. I say make I put for the bag when I dey keep my dirty. So I carry myself, I say make I go check if our spaghetti done. Spaghetti. I carry the spoon. I say make I go wash on. We need to be clean. I beg. Because dust too much, okay? Always clean. Now so I carry my fry pan. I put for fire. I on the other stove because I need to put spaghetti for there because I feel boil that spaghetti, and then I can put groundnut oil for the spaghetti. I add salt to join her because you need to get taste. You understand? After that one, so I carry my groundnut oil. I put for inside. Now small groundnut oil now I buy because all my things don't finish for this house. Now I carry onion, so I say make I slice everything sliceable because we need to slice this onions. We don't fry it like that. You understand? Now so my nails they disturb me for the cutting of onions. It's not easy with long nails. After I don't finish, now I carry onions, so I pour on for inside fry pan. As I pour and finish, I begin fry the onions. So because me I like my onions make it deep fried somehow. Then I can carry my tomatoes. I pour them inside the vegetable oil where onions don't dey. Now excuse the remaining one wey remain for inside the cellophane because you know if you waste time now, you don't understand. I need to turn her together, make everything mix together, then leave and make it cook well. Okay? For yes, so our tomatoes, our stew don't dey cook. Initially na jollof I been want do, I could change my mind though. Now I carry Maggi, I put her inside, but the thing not come video finish. Then I can add water, make it for take cook well. na pure water I dey use, more na novice. Then I lower the gas. I can't go remove all the egg when I don't peel. I remove the shaft. I put for dirty bag because I don't want anything just stay in that sink. Now understand, always be clean, okay? So for here, so the things when I don't use, now I say make I wash am so that once I cook finish, work not go too much for the kitchen for me to do. So I clean everything when I don't use. I rinse everything, wash am, arrange am, make everywhere for fine. Now so it's supposed to be. Now so me I like to do my thing because I not just like too much dirty when I don't cook finish. I go come tire to wash, to clean. So I like as I dey do, I dey clean and they go like that. Una understand? I know the tissue do what you work for you. I not see me follow my pattern. Now my own I dey talk so. How I say they do my thing when I like and wait I dey cook so. Not be I know the cook and me you constantly learn now. Now my own way. Now so for here so I say make I go check our stew. Our stew not done. I don't tell you not really too much for this stew now. The way I want them, I test them, everything do okay. Now I begin tell and say yes, in enter where I come off my gas. For here our food not done. As soon as they see him, you see how he fine. Our stew not done. It all done. And it all ready to chop. It all ready to work. Because even when I dey show now this video, it not really dey my mind to show now because hungry dey wire belly. I want chop. Not be to show now video, not be me the after. Again. I'm such a clown. I don't know. Does this voiceover make sense? My wonderful people, as soon as they see me, I don't sit down with a kata for my room on top of my bed. I pour my water, I pour for my water bottle, my cup when I they use. I cover the remaining water. I fed drink. How many of you they eat like drink water before I start to they eat food? That one I'm you. I like to drink water first. Now so I start the food do. So me I go your live and make una enjoy the rest of this video. Okay. I like food. Well, I forget I suppose fair give una mona test before me eat, but anyhow mona still collect when I give una mona test too. The food sweet. Now see do I knock my head. I sabi cook forget. I sabi cook. Not be saying na mat, not be saying na go come. For those people who don't chop my food, ask them. They go tell you say Chantel they cook. Forget. Okay, my darling. So make I live when I'm gonna enjoy this food part. For here, my people, I go carry second round though because I no belly full. The food is sweet me well. Mona no laugh me because I like food. Sometimes I go just chop. Sometimes I go just day. I no go hungry. That's so I be. So come like say now the eating part I dey only show now, but I not be a food person. I like food. I don't like food. Sometimes it go just hungry me to chop everything. Sometimes I feel day 1 week, 2 weeks. I feel just eat snacks. That's so my life be. My people, after I eat finish, now I enter bedroom, now I go bath because here, the way I don't take sweat from kitchen to room to eating, everything, if I not bath, that's to say, they una need to arrest me. So I enter bathroom. I say make I pour water for body. I had already bath in the morning because today it really hot. I bath early morning when I wake up. I bath before I go market. So after I eat finish, I say make I bath, make I sleep, relax, because obviously I not get where I dey go today. So I bath finish. I use my roll on for the 2-1 pit. I beg everywhere for the smell nice. They eat too much. So after the roll on, I use my face serum because obviously I was at home all throughout the day. So even those ideas, we still need to glow. You understand? After that, that's why I come enter room. Then so my people, as a jobless Dubai deportee that I am, anytime I say Dubai deportee, I am. So after I don't bath, I just lie down. What I want to do? Now I just begin scroll from social media. They work out, they think about my life. You know, they give on a different position. Now so they do whenever I'm alone. You know, I'm always alone, except I'm in my mom's place or I'm with my friends. But most of the times I'm alone, and I just love my me time. I love my me time. I love being alone. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just enjoy being alone. Okay, so after a year, and that's why I appeal somebody just order cloth from me. In case you don't know, I own a brand called Chantel Osas Collections. I beg, go follow my page. May you patronize me. Buy what I they say. I they say beautiful Ankara styles, both English and Ankara, different varieties of styles. Like we have a whole lot where you go like for that perfect occasions where you won't go, where you go look like standards. All eyes will be on you. You know that song where they say all eyes on me when I enter the party. Oh, I beg, make una follow me buy my market. So now I begin package my order. Make I go send them on Monday. Thank you all so much for watching. Oh, make una not forget to like, share, comment. I beg, follow my page for more. Bye. Mwah.